Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl. So basically, we're gonna be cleaning out my slime corner today. I have three compartments, so we're just starting with the middle one. This is from Glitter Slimes. It's okay. I don't know why I said okay, because the beads are just falling out because I added lotion or something to it. This is Audie's. I love her. This is Slimes with Audrey. But yeah, throughout the video, basically, I'm just cleaning these out because a lot of these slimes are just 2 ounces that are mine or are just prototypes that I've done, and a lot of them are literally liquid, like completely melted. So I just want to go through them and throw away a lot of them that usually are just all liquid and glue. But the other ones, I've gotten at conventions and stuff. And basically, the point of this is just to pick out the ones that I still use and throw away the ones that are just not non-salvageable, but basically just like a lost cause. And I don't want it anymore. Yeah, that last one, I was like, oh, I'll poke it. And I'm like, nope. These beads suck. They do not stick to slime. This was a slime I made with my friends. All the clay just rose to the top, so I thought that was pretty cool to poke. I'm just kind of poking some of the ones that I think that are okay. Again, this is one that's mine. I found that the clay ones stay together more than just the glue ones. The rest of these slimes are just kind of miscellaneous. Some headphones my friend put in a 2 ounce. This slime is from October. I used a different glue and it's just a lost cause. These two are from Bookshelf Slimes. They are so nice. I just need to activate them a bit. This was from Bath and Body Slimes I got for my birthday. Again, I just need to activate this a little bit. It was kind of funny. I got my nails done and they were that exact same color. But this one is so sad. It's like completely liquid. It was really, really nice when I got it, but here we have Slime Papillion, I think. This one was so bomb. She restocked it and I didn't come in time, but just needed to activate that a little bit. This is Satisfactory Store. I love this slime when I first got it. It was Unicorn Chip Witch. Kind of lost its smell because I added lotion to it. And then this is Audie's, my girl. It's kind of funny. I've never actually ordered from her online. I always get her slimes from conventions. Super bomb. This one is, I forgot the slime name, but it's really, really nice. It was my first Snow Fizz, and I got it from Kiwi Slime Show. And the more of these that I've been showing, I got from Kiwi Slime Show. I'm probably butchering how I'm saying that. But yeah, I'm just cleaning out the rest of them. I thought these looked cool, whatever. Now I know what you're thinking. Charlotte, aren't you going to wipe that down? Aren't you going to clean it? I thought that too while editing this. So I took everything out and I wiped everything down and I sterilized everything just because in this video my thought process was just get the slimes, make sure nothing falls. Like that was just my mindset. So this is the final product. I really liked how it turned out, but this was before, and you can see this is after. So I really liked how it turned out. Again, I cleaned everything after. So close to everything in this bottom shelf, I was gonna keep. Like all the slimes are more newer, so I do like all of the slimes. It was just some things were just out of place, and then you can see some 2 ounces that were mine that I just had to take out. But overall, I was just organizing it honestly because my borax was right there, and something happens to borax. I don't know why, but it gets really hard. So it was hard as a rock. So I was like, okay, I need to take this out anyways. So just organizing it, some clay, and then as you saw, my labels and some sprinkles as well. And you're probably wondering, Charlotte, seriously? You saw it this dusty and musty and you didn't do anything about it? Again, my thought process, over the wire, didn't think. But after I did clean up everything, it was just built up borax. But I'm really excited about the final product because I really love organizing. I'm so glad that this was it. So before and after, I know it's a short video. I filmed it the wrong way, but let's just get started on the top shelf. If anyone can screenshot when I looked at the camera, I don't know what I'll do. I'll give you a cookie. But basically, here I am. I'm just wiping it down because it was really not dirty, but there was just like more beads and stuff that I needed to clean out. I know this is gonna seem repetitive, but I took everything and put it back on top and then took it down because I'm like, wait, what am I doing? So I just am putting everything up that I want, and I didn't even want half of that stuff. But you can see I'm just using this shelf to put back everything in its rightful place. So funny thing that happened with those neon marshmallow beads, I literally don't know why, but I gouged a hole in it. So right there, I gouged a hole in it. So beads kept falling out. So you're gonna see me take it out to put just a big piece of tape so it doesn't spill everywhere. But it's just me just organizing everything. Yeah, these beads are huge. I literally did not know where to put them, but here is before and after. Thank you guys so much for watching or even just coming on my channel. I recommend that you guys go to my Instagram if you want more day-to-day content and just more slime videos of me not talking. So if you have any suggestions for any ideas on videos, feel free to comment them down below. And I'll see you guys in either a week or a couple of weeks.